Hello, everyone, and welcome to this Monday morning assembly on cooperation. Let's start by saying good morning. Good morning, everyone. Fantastic, we're getting much better at that, and it was nice to hear you so loud and clear. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm looking forward to the week ahead that we have together. We're going to start with our school mantra. Let's read it together. Each day is a new beginning. We work together to reach our goals. Friendship and fun create happiness. We all play our special role. Teachers, parents, and children unite to help us learn the things we need. Together, we can make a difference, ensuring we all succeed. Believe, achieve, succeed. It's great to see so many of you knowing our school mantra now and everything that we stand for here at Macefield. Really enjoyed walking around the classes last week, and it was great to be back seeing all the amazing learning going on. It's summer term now, and we've got so much to look forward to this term. There's going to be so much going on as well as we get to the end of the school year. So, our core value this week, and the core value you'll be working towards for our Friday Good News Assembly is cooperation. Cooperation is probably something that quite a lot of us know a bit about, especially as we get into Key Stage 2 and higher up. And it's working well with others. It's very linked to teamwork. It's being patient, helpful, and able to make informed decisions. And as I've mentioned in the Resilience Assembly, teamwork is such an important part of what we do here at Macefield. For pupils and for staff as well. We're all part of a team. It's important that we all work together as part of that team to make Macefield the place it is. And we're very lucky to have such an amazing team around you. And that's you pupils, the staff, and also the parents. Because teamwork really does make the dream work. It's a very unusual saying, but also something that I think is really, really true and rings true at Macefield Primary School. Okay, so the rule we're going to look at today is the learning rule. The learning rule is the first one on our list, and they're all very important, but the learning rule is up there, maybe one of the most important. So important that we follow the learning rule, because that's what we're here to do at Macefield. We're here to learn. You're here to develop as young children, as young people. And it's our aim to get you ready for life after Macefield, to ensure that you believe in yourself, that you achieve great things and succeed in whatever you want to do, whatever you set your mind to. So it's so important that we follow the other rules to ensure that we're always learning. But this week, our core value is cooperation. As I've said, very similar to teamwork. And I'm going to tell you a story about two donkeys. It's actually the parable of two donkeys. And you'll see the two donkeys are on the top right of my screen. And there's a picture of the two donkeys with a rope attached to them. I'm going to tell you exactly what was happening. Listen carefully. Once upon a time, two donkeys were left tied to each other in a stable. One donkey's feeding trough was at one end of the building, and the other's was at the other end. They pulled and pulled and pulled and pulled at each other, trying to drag the other to their trough, till they collapsed, hungry and exhausted, to the floor. The donkeys were hungry, despite having been given plenty of food, because they refused to cooperate. It was really simple, the solution. They could have walked together to one trough and then to the other, and both have been fed well. And you'll see on this picture here how the donkeys started. They started with the picture one, looking at their food. At picture 2 and 3, they then started pulling in opposite directions. But neither of them got the food. In picture 4, they started to think, there's a really simple solution here. We both go together to one trough and share it, and then we both go together to the other trough and share it. And by working together and using cooperation, they solved their problem. I want you to close your eyes because we're going to have a quick reflection. Close your eyes and picture the space you are in, the place where you are sat now in school, and all the different children around you. Now picture where we live. Picture where you live. Picture your house, your street, and all the people of all different ages, working, playing, and going about their normal lives. Now picture our country. All the people of many different races, cultures, and religions, all going about their lives. Finally, it's getting harder now. Picture the whole world and all its people. With your help, this world could be a place of sharing, helping, and cooperation. If we work together, we can make this world a much better place. We can make your classrooms a better place. We can make our school a better place. We can make our town a better place, our country, and the whole world by working together and using cooperation. I'm really looking forward to seeing who is going to win. I'll be awarded our core value this week for cooperation. A lot of us sat there cooperate all the time. We all use teamwork. Maybe we should give it some of your teachers this week. Have a great week, Macefield Primary School. I look forward to seeing all the amazing learning going on and all the wonderful work that you are doing. It's now time for a new song. It's a bit of a slower one this week, but linked closely to our core value. It's called Only Love. And if we go to the All Staff Drive, into Assemblies, Music Assembly, we will find Only Love. Have a great week.